Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the image that the year 2s have created and put it into Sprite, and then we've got to edit it. Now the idea was that there's an unhealthy food and the year 2 child shoots the unhealthy food with a target and then it turns it into the healthy one that they've made. So here's an example. It is Rafa's rather cute looking apple. Okay, so I've put it onto the desktop here and I'm going to import it in. Now I could try and import it as a new costume, see if that works. You used to be able to drag and drop it. For some reason the update, it doesn't let you drag and drop it, and you used to be able to cut it out a lot easier, so you're going to have to be careful with this. There it is. There, it's imported it into there. You can see it's and here it's another costume on the sprite. So if we've coded the sprite to move around the stage, all that code will still be there. Now, before we could right click and select the screen, and it doesn't let you do that anymore. So what we've got to do is we've got to use one of these editing tools here on the left hand toolbar, and you can go down and you can see there's one there called remove background. Now what it is, it's like a magic wand, so you're going to have a steady hand and carefully go around the, oopsie, I'm not very careful, am I? Go around the fruit as carefully and slowly and accurately as you possibly can. As I'm doing this, you can see that Rafa's been great with this because he's done a lovely sprite for us, and he's put his name, his class, and also the number on the register. So whoever's in 6D and his number 8 on the register, you're going to be doing Rafa's character and therefore Rafa's game. Now that should be it, I hope. And then click off somewhere, and there you can see what we've done effectively there is created a PNG. Now a PNG is just a type of file that is always a photo. You know, when you play a game you don't have a background around your characters, so a normal photo might be a JPEG or something like this, but this is kind of turning it into a PNG, which means that then you can see there it's a little bit scruffy. I don't like it. So if I really want to be careful, what I can do, I could probably make it bigger. Can you see there? You've got the checkered background, and I can see these little bits of white here that are making it look a little bit untidy. So we could carefully rub out those pieces. Now it's hard with a mouse, and you can take a little bit of time with this, because what we will do is we will repeat we'll duplicate the sprite in a later date. And you see how I'm carefully going around, taking a little bit of time and just making it a bit neater. And you can see on the opposite screen there, the stage, it will be neater. Now you'll probably be able to see it better when you put a background. I'm just going to put a background into the I'll put a colour, any colour. I'll put that one in just for now. Go in there, and then you can you see it doesn't look as good. So if I go back in there, and when I use the eraser, or the rubber as we'd probably call it, you can see that it neatens it off a bit, and you can see the checkerboard kind of pattern, like a chessboard behind it. Okay. And then I'll go on to that. So you can see there's the sprite, the original one, and there's the new costume. Okay. Now obviously that's far too big, so we'd have to make it smaller. Alright. Which you can use here, or you can use these features up here. You use these all the time when you were in year 5 with the rainforest game that you created, and when you make it a bit smaller it doesn't look as untidy. Okay, so unfortunately the easy way doesn't work anymore with the update, but that's what life's like, and we've got to try and find an alternative, a solution, and I think that is the best I can come up with. If anybody can find out a better way, it would be definitely a purple form, because last year it was Javi who's in year 7 now who found out there was an easier way to do it that I can't get to work. Okay, thank you, bye bye.